Hi guys, Mark here, Mark's Matchbox Memories. Bit of a special one for you this week. It's one big unboxing. It's a Matchbox set. So join me, have a look, and let's see where we go with this. Right, here we are then guys, opening it up now. I'm expecting interruptions this afternoon because the cats are in. And you know what cats are, they'll do what they want to do. I never had one of these as a kid. So I'm super happy I found this in such great condition. I try to be careful because I don't want to put my address on the old internet. I'm excited to show you basically ripping this open. Hey. I'll try and get through all this delicious bubble wrap. Try and save it because I love bubble wrap. Costs a fortune in the UK these days. But this time I can't bother. This is just coming off. Voila. Okay guys, so we just have a quick run across the outside of the box. Obviously we got original 80s artwork there. So first generation trucks. We got two farm wagons on there. Here's our wrecker, our police car from the set. In fact I think 1, 2, 3 are from the main set. So let's have a look on the side of the box. There we are, we don't have a tripod now, that's a bit better. So let's have a look at the artwork underneath. So we got the same artwork underneath. Same artwork on the end. And the same artwork on the bottom. A little bit disappointing. The box has been crushed in the post. A little bit annoyed over that. But not a lot you can do about it. 93 Matchbox International, made in USA. So this is an old United States of America set. The first release coming out from Lesney, UK. So let's see how she opens, shall we? She's not going to open from the side. So she must be one to open that way. I'm a little bit limited on space here as well. Okay, so let's see how I get it open this way. Yep. There's our petrol station. Our floor mat. Our sign. It looks like everything's doing good. Top of the fuel station. Our ramp. There we go, fitting grade. Excellent. away. So service ramp, got a little broken noddy on it. I think that might have been done in the post. Like I said, the box has obviously been crushed. And we've got a main service station as well. All garages, working ramp. I think that's where the lift goes in there. Working ramp on top. A little grease pit. Let's do it on camera as you can see. So we've got our ramps here for doing the oil change. A little ramp here. Dyno testers working great. Guide doors are working. Our ramp's working. Surprising amount of empty space inside. They could have just took that straight to the back, as you could park an Arctic in there. Okay. Right, we're going to do is now, guys, we're going to set her up on the table and see what she looks like. Okay guys, we set up. Have a quick look now. We're catching the sun just right, just setting over the mountain behind us. Couple of little things to your attention. The moulder's twisted with heat or temperature over years or decay. So you put some hot water, any moulder in there. And one of the little levers is broke on the ramp over here. But apart from that, she's in pretty much mint condition. Some of the stickers are peeling. Ramp is working fine, so you can have a look at that. And the garage doors are also working fine. Workshop loading bay ramp, workshop ramp for car maintenance is working great. So let's have a quick look. We're going to give it a little bit of a try, see if the ramp's working fine. Excellent. So here comes Johnny G in his Ford F100. Just load it up. And he's going to pop upstairs now to see what he can do. Okay, so here's Johnny. He's going for a bit of a service, a bit of a makeover on his battered old Ford truck. I talk a lot like Danny. Hey, come down round. And into the service bay. Yes, bud. In he goes. So he's had a bit of a service and a makeover in his garage. And he's looking absolutely fantastic and fine. Just a little bit of a polish, a little bit of a clean up, and now he's ready to go back on the road and do some Mr. Plough. Okay guys, this is one upcoming. It's on the custom Ford 100. Made all dirty and grubby, yeah. And we also got our collector's edition. Try and catch the light. She's rather nice, yeah. And here we got then out of the custom version. So we got the collector's edition, custom version. And what I'm going to do is a series on these for going from the Matchbox original, this one, through to the through the Tyco and through to Mattel, where they introduce a plastic pig version. So we're going to have a look at all those on a later video. So if you're enjoying this guys, hit the old shares, the likes and the subscribes and all the funky stuff, and we will do more on this in an upcoming video.